I'd like a statement on the position that minority care time parents find themselves in. I had a constituent in my office earlier today being forced to pay bedroom tax and being put into debt as a result. He cares for his daughter on the weekends, and the extra room is needed. And if you look at every council across Wales, those rooms which are needed to take care of children, when parents work in partnership, don't count in terms of bedroom tax. So what can be done? I'd like a statement on what you could do, please.
Thank you for raising this. And of course, the member will be aware that Welsh Government has, over a long period, made extensive representations to the UK Government about its bedroom tax and the fact that it is unfair to parents and families who find themselves in a variety of circumstances, such as that which you describe, but also parents and people who are disabled, for example, who need a room for carers to stay in occasionally, or who need an extra room for some of the equipment and so on that they require. So we've been clear for years that the bedroom tax is an unfair tax on disabled people, and we will continue to press the UK Government on this.
David Melding.